Your business is one of a kind. And building one-of-a-kind solutions has never been simpler with the HubSpot Developer Platform. Confidently create custom apps for your business without the complexity. Then scale and deliver value faster than ever. Designed for extensibility and productivity, the Developer Platform is your foundation for AI innovation. With a growing collection of APIs, flexible UI components, and developer tools, you can build native app experiences that work just how you need them to. A reimagined developer experience brings everything together so you can ship faster with confidence, no matter what you're building. And with future-proofed frameworks, you'll be ready for the AI era. Build solutions for your internal teams to use, or launch on the HubSpot marketplace for the whole world to discover. And with over 1,900 apps available, you'll be in good company. Start building on a platform that grows with you. Explore the HubSpot Developer Platform.